Ladies and gentlemen.
So just a quick recap of part one. So we went over the issues affecting different Hondas and Acuras. So part two, going to go over some free and low cost fixes. So before replacing the camera, we're going to try these quick fixes. So before we start, here's some tools that you're going to be needing. So we're going to clean the windshield near the camera, and then also going to clean the radar and the emblem. Okay, we're going to check the battery. First, test it for low voltage, and then second, we're going to disconnect it and see if we can clear the code. Open the hood, remove the cover. It's just a bunch of clips like that. Just pull up on it. Pop out the clips. Just remove the part of the intake. Just pull it out. And then you'll be able to see the battery below. All right, for the ratchet, you need the 10. And then you're going to disconnect the negative side, the black side. All right, the battery's disconnected. Time to take a break. All right, I'm going to go ahead and reconnect the battery, and we'll see if that cleared the codes. All right, the battery is secured. Now we're going to go ahead and put the part of the intake back together. All right, put the clips back. Intake is secure. All right, I gotta put the cover back on so it just snaps into these clips, just line it up. If this video saved you $2,000, hit that like and subscribe button because this is a very common problem with Hondas, Acuras. Thanks for watching.